Achieve superior smoking results with the best offset smokers, designed for both amateur and professional pitmasters. These smokers offer excellent temperature control and even heat distribution, essential for creating perfectly smoked meats. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best offset smokers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which outdoor cooking topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The CharGriller Smoking Pro Barrel Grill and Offset Smoker is a premier choice for enthusiasts who crave the authentic flavor of charcoal grilling combined with versatile smoking capabilities. With a substantial 1,130 square inches of cooking space, this unit is designed to accommodate meals for gatherings of any size. Its dual functionality allows you to both grill and smoke, providing the flexibility to cook a variety of dishes from steaks to briskets. The Smokin Pro features a robust, heavy-duty steel construction, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The included side firebox attachment is perfect for Texas-style offset smoking, enhancing your food with rich, smoky flavors. This smoker also boasts dual damper controls, allowing you to fine-tune airflow for optimal cooking results. For convenience, the Easy Dump Ash Pan makes ash disposal straightforward, keeping the grilling process hassle-free. The adjustable charcoal grate and cast iron cooking grates ensure precise flame control and excellent heat retention. The large side shelf offers ample space for food preparation and includes utensil hooks for added functionality. Large wheels facilitate easy movement, making it simple to reposition your grill as needed. For those dedicated to elevating their backyard barbecue experience, the Meadow SQ36 offers unmatched quality and versatility in the realm of offset smokers. Built from rugged T304 stainless steel, this smoker is engineered for durability and performance, standing out from the flimsy models found in big box stores. Its generously sized cooking grate can handle 5 to 6 pork butts or 2 whole briskets, making it well suited for large gatherings and ambitious BBQ sessions. Additionally, the SQ36 features an optional second-tier grate that effectively doubles the cooking space, allowing you to accommodate even more food and take on larger cooking projects. The SQ36's offset firebox design introduces a unique element of indirect heat cooking, utilizing slow-burning wood or charcoal to infuse your meats with deep, smoky flavors. This setup not only provides an excellent cooking environment for smoking, but also allows for flexible heat management. To further enhance its utility, an optional grill pan can be added, transforming the smoker into a direct heat grill perfect for burgers, steaks, and other grilled favorites. Convenience is a key feature of the SQ36, with its removable ash pan and easy access to the firebox simplifying cleanup and maintenance. This smoker is designed to offer both excellent heat control and ease of use, making it a standout choice for serious grillers. The Oklahoma Joe's Highland Offset Smoker stands out as a premier choice for traditional smoking enthusiasts, marrying rugged durability with exceptional performance. Constructed from heavy-duty, high-temperature steel, this smoker promises enduring reliability and an authentic smoking experience. It boasts 619 square inches of primary cooking space in the main chamber and an additional 281 square inches in the offset firebox, giving you plenty of room to prepare large meals and multiple dishes simultaneously. Designed with user convenience in mind, the Highland features a swing-open firebox door that allows you to stoke the fire or clean out ashes without lifting the main chamber lid, preserving consistent cooking temperatures. The smoker's porcelain-coated wire grates are both rust-resistant and easy to clean, ensuring a hassle-free maintenance routine. A professional-grade lid-mounted temperature gauge provides precise temperature readings, helping you manage your smoking process with accuracy. The front shelf runs the length of the main chamber, offering ample space for food preparation and storage of cooking tools. Despite its substantial 178-pound weight, the smoker is equipped with large wagon-style wheels for effortless mobility across your yard or patio. The Broil King Smoke Offset shines as a premier option for dedicated smokers, positioned as the second best offset smoker on the market. Engineered from durable 2mm steel, this smoker boasts a substantial 625 square inches of primary cooking area, providing ample space for preparing large quantities of meat or multiple dishes at once. The heavy-duty cast-iron cooking grids enhance heat retention and ensure even cooking, making it a reliable choice for achieving perfectly smoked foods. A key feature of this offset smoker is its sophisticated air vent system. It includes a chimney-style stack with roto-draft damper technology, which offers precise control over airflow and temperature. This technology allows for optimal smoke distribution and temperature regulation, crucial for achieving the ideal smoke ring and deep, rich flavors in your barbecue. The Broil King Smoke Offset also excels in convenience and maintenance. Its dual-purpose charcoal trays are designed to diffuse smoke evenly across the cooking surface, while the removable ashtrays in both cooking chambers facilitate easy cleanup. With its blend of robust construction, advanced air management features, and user-friendly design, the Broil King Smoke Offset is a standout choice for both amateur and seasoned pitmasters seeking exceptional performance and versatility in their outdoor cooking adventures. The Dyna-Glo wide-body vertical offset charcoal smoker stands out as a premier choice among offset smokers, embodying exceptional design and functionality. Its spacious 1890 square inches of cooking area, spread across 6 height-adjustable grates, caters to a variety of food sizes with a robust 25-pound capacity per grate. This smoker excels in efficiency with its porcelain-enameled steel charcoal chamber, which ensures that briquettes remain tightly stacked for optimal burn performance. The thoughtfully designed charcoal and ash management system includes a sliding, removable steel ash pan and a dedicated charcoal chamber. This setup accommodates substantial ash loads, allowing for extended, hassle-free cooking sessions. The vertical design not only promotes efficient heat circulation, but also enhances smoke flavor by allowing heat to rise naturally, while the offset chamber keeps direct heat away from the food for perfect slow cooking results. Additional features include an adjustable smokestack flue, offering precise control over both flavor and temperature. The built-in stainless steel thermometer, complete with a smoke zone indicator, makes it easy to monitor and maintain ideal smoking temperatures, ensuring that every meal is infused with rich, smoky flavors. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.